So I went back there 20 times. Each time got rejected. Then after continuous 1 year of try, I got select offer letter from three multinational company at the same time. And when I told the other two that I'm joining this company, they said, please don't join there. We'll increase your salary. We'll give you what you want because you are the perfect fit for our job and you are our first choice.
Hi everyone, my name is Kartika Nair and you're watching Synchro Shakti. We've been talking a lot about tools and techniques of manifestation on this channel, but today let's look at the fruits of all the seeds we've been planting, which means let's look at these success stories. I want to focus on job success stories in this particular video purely because of the world that we're living in right now and the fear that people are living in. Let's release the fear and focus on the abundance of opportunities. So today I want to introduce you to a small clip from one of our students, Rita. She's done all of our courses, but I'm going to break down exactly what she did step by step in this video so you can also do what she did and get the job. Little backstory is Rita was rejected 20 times in the same company to get that dream job role in the dream company, and for random reasons. So she decided, I'm going to change my internal energy. Every day I'm going to magnetize myself, do something different, which I'll tell you what she did. And then eventually she got the success, but I won't even tell you the success. I'll tell you show you the clip itself. So this is Rita's clip. I hope it inspires you. Let's roll it now.
Career also, I got my job back. So
She got a
my
job
current
back.
company,
Yay.
yeah, my current company, I went to attend interview 20 times. Every time they rejected me.
20
And
times.
each time, yes, each time they rejected me with a silly reason and they said, you are not fit for this role. Then after 2 weeks, they used to call me back and used to ask, can we schedule the interview? So, but it was like a insulting process because when I go there, they used to treat me like you have a career gap. We can take you, and you are a woman. Maybe you get pregnant, you'll have kids, so you'll again take leave. So they used to mistreat me, so I didn't want to go there. But the recruiting agent who was calling me was so kind and nice, so they said, this time one more you try. So I went back there 20 times. Each time got rejected. Then after continuous 1 year of try, I got select offer letter from three multinational company at the same time. And when I told the other two that I'm joining this company, they said, please don't join there. We'll increase your salary. We'll give you what you want because you are the perfect fit for our job and you are our first choice. Then I took my this current company, and I'm with this company, and I never regret for joining there because they treat me so valuable, respected employee every day. They just when I think about my current company, I just feel like you matter. So that is the
Yeah.
vibration I get from them. I worked on multiple projects, but everywhere I was treated very well.
Yay.
It just in 1 year, my life is a total shift, 360-degree shift.
So, was that inspiring or not? Did you connect to her story? Did you like it? Were you inspired? Just type if you were inspired. Just type, I got the job too in the comments. Okay, I got the job too because great affirmation, but also it shows me that you were touched by the story. Now, what did she do? So, I followed up with her and I got her to tell me exactly the tips and tricks that she used. And so, I'm going to break it down for you now. So, the very first thing she did was she scripted. Okay, so you guys already know people, SSA Academy students, which is Synchro Shakti Academy students. We are big fans of daily routines. You know, I push my daily routine class all the time for a reason because it's beautiful and it works. So she's also one of the daily routine people. So every day she would script. Okay, so what is a script? She would write out the scene before it even happened. So there were 3 scenes that she wrote down. Okay, a scene is like, let's say this is a scene right now. I am sitting on this chair making this video for you. And if I write that down, I've written down the scene. I am making a video for the YouTube audience. This is the scene. So she pre-scripted the scene of the interview before it even happened. So there were 3 major scenes that she wrote down. The first scene she wrote down was the feeling of having given a great interview. So she wrote down, I finished the interview and that great feeling. I have this amazing feeling inside. The second scene that she scripted was how impressed the interviewer was. Okay, so she scripted out exactly, how impressed he looked, and how, how she felt so confident, and she's smiling and all of these things. And the third thing that she scripted out was how confident she felt during the entire interview. So these were the three scenes that she wrote down. This is what happened. This is what happened. I felt so confident. He felt so impressed by me. I felt it was a great interview. The second thing she did, again as part of her daily routine, she visualized the entire interview beginning to end. So she saw muscle memory, right? She trained her body using her mind to be confident during the interviews, to come across with smiles, to come across as a gem. I'm going to give you a big bonus tip towards the end of this video about coming across as a gem to your employers. I'll give you that tip soon, so stay till the end. So she visualized herself going through the entire interview beginning to end, on how she would feel, how she would respond, her confidence, her answers, and all of these things obviously trained her body to respond the same way at her interviews. The third one, this is something very, very few people do, is Rita, as part of her daily routine, she worked on healing herself. Healing what? Healing the frustrations, healing the anxieties, healing the upsets, healing the lack of self-belief, healing the I'm not good enough. She is a mindfulness student. She used mindfulness to make sure that she was zen, which means that even when things did not go her way, she was still calm, she was still at peace, she was still excited, she was still ready, she was still open. That is a state of creation, not pissed off, angry, nothing works. That is blocking the energy. You got to understand that healing the way you feel is so important. If you really believe in what I'm saying right now, that healing is important, type in the comment saying healing is important. This third tip, if you got this alone and you didn't do anything else in life, miracles will follow you. Because if you're full of crap and your room is full of crap, nobody can open the door to let anything new inside, because the crap is standing against the door. Release the crap. Okay, the next thing that Rita did was she actually prepared for the interviews. So she knew her stuff, she did her research, she took action, she went out and she did the interviews. Now, am I saying you have to do interviews to get a job? Hell no. I don't believe in the whole you must do an interview, you must have MBA. I don't believe in all of that. But she did the interviews because she was inspired to do the interviews. She felt inspired, she got up, she actually took action, and she sat for those interviews. That was the next step that she took. There are two more and then one bonus tip, so let's hold on. The next tip that she practiced goes back to the Zen thing I was talking about, being relaxed during this journey. No matter how crazy the situation is, she said either I get this job or something much better. So either this, I'm feeling good about that, or something much better, I'm feeling good about that also. So I'm constantly feeling good. I'm constantly open for miracles to come in. So she didn't let fear and the pressure and the panic get to her, because she was doing her mindfulness every day, and she kept her energy open by saying either I get this job or something infinitely better. This is a principle of detachment. She gave herself time. She gave herself 1 year. Now you've got to understand momentum, okay? You have had such, not just you, the general world has been conditioned to be negative for so long, and that negativity is running in our lives. It's like a cycle of manifestation, and it's running and it's running, and now suddenly you're creating this new paradigm and new programming, and you're building new momentum here. So you're going to see the manifestations of this stuff as well as this stuff, and now it's like both things are going on. Some things are working out, some things are not working out. But as you begin to be more mindful and you're releasing the negativity and you're building on the positivity, eventually this stuff will gather more momentum and you will see this as your natural reality, the positive stuff. You guys following me? Just type positive stuff in the comments right now. So Rita gave herself 1 year's time to keep trying, to keep working, to keep healing, to keep doing this every day. And as she did that every day, the old momentum of negativity subsided and the new momentum of goodness started coming in, and you saw her results. And now for the bonus tip, okay? The bonus tip, one of my favorite tips, is before going for that interview, make a list of all the reasons why that company is super lucky to have you in it. Okay, make sure that you feel confident about who you are, what you bring to the table, why you're such a good match. And when you make that list, you're vibrating in confidence about yourself. And when you walk into that interview hall with internally knowing that you are ripe for the job, you're good, you're confident, you have the skill, what happens is that energy begins to transfer to the people. That energy is so it seeps into people. So make sure you make that list before going to the interview. Final words, you've already learned from Rita and me and all of this that there are morning routines, daily routines that make these things work even easier. When we were making a list of people to do interviews with for jobs, there are so many people in our community. I don't know who to pick, where to go, because this stuff works. If you are open to it, my friend, don't take this as just another promotional thing. Just make sure if you've not attended this class, please attend it. You can see it in the description box. It's called the Most Powerful Manifestation Routine Training. You learn the entire routine that you can do every single day. You learn the attractive factors that make it work, and you learn how to make that impossible dream into a possible reality. Final words, go register for the class. But final words, if you're not on Instagram, please follow me. We're doing a daily manifestation tips thing going on at this current time. So please follow me. You'll find my Instagram link in the comment section or in the description. I love you all. If you liked this video, if this inspired you, if this gave you some tips, it gave you direction, it gave you hope, please give this video a like. So that's it. I love you all, and I look forward to seeing you in the class 28th as well as in the next video. I love you all, and namaste.